Today at the shop we have this Audi A4 2011 in for an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Now as far as integrating into the factory system, there's multiple third-party vendors on the internet that will supply like a brain box and a harness that would allow you to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto using the factory screen. However, as far as for us, we haven't had such good luck with them in the past as far as terms of reliability and user-friendly. So we opted out to replace the upper screen to this updated, I want to say it's a 10 or 11, I don't remember exactly off the top of my head, but this is the new screen that the car now has compared to the factory 6 or 7-inch screen that the vehicle came with equipped originally. Now another thing too that this car did not come equipped with, at least in this model year, was the backup camera. Now we could have put a universal camera and still got it the same end result. However, we were able to find out there the backup camera that has like the OE look right there. So not just only can they open the trunk because it has the mechanism for it as well, but they can also see what's behind them whenever they go into reverse gear. As far as on this upper screen, so not just only does the customer now has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's not like other type of units where it's Android based where it starts lagging or it's kind of slow to navigate through the screen. This one has those two features, but it's not a slow system. It's a pretty fast and responsive system itself. So it's able to get the job done, fast and responsive, and has no lag to it. We were able to keep the buttons on the steering wheel still working. And then plus, we were able to keep what's the factory system of this vehicle. So like if they want to go into the vehicle itself, they can go back into the factory system so they can use their Audi multimedia interface. I believe that's what it's called. So that way everything still stays original, but now it has the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So as far as the camera, it displays as soon as the customer goes into reverse gear. So right there's the backup camera with the guided parking lines. And then also another quick and nice feature that it has, it'll also display what's the AC, so not just only temperature but also the fan speed as well. So it's something nice that gives the vehicle a more up-to-date look, not just only a bigger screen, touchscreen, backup camera, but it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's wireless too, so we don't have any cords hooked up to the Samsung S24, so it's completely wireless. You get to keep OE features, so it's a nice option of upgrading your system but without having to sacrifice the factory system that this car originally has, and neither the premium audio system with this vehicle can be equipped with. If you wish to get something like this done to your vehicle, we can get it done here at Jimenez Car Audio. Our address is 503 E Central Ave in the city of Raeford. Our phone number is 910-720-0453. Let us know for your vehicle needs, and we're here and happy to assist.